What's up, guys? It's Robson Hayashida here. Thanks for watching Trading Like a Trader, my YouTube channel. But today we're gonna go do something different. First of all, Happy New Year to all of you guys who follow my channel. This is a lucky bag that we got from Starbucks, and we're going to unbox it first. So this is how it looks like from the front and from behind. Okay, so let's open it. Let's see what's inside. We have this blanket, and just to remind you guys, this blanket is a special edition just made for this lucky bag. In Japanese, it's called Starbucks Fukubukuro 2019年 blanket. So Starbucks is like Starbucks, and Fukubukuro is the lucky bag, and 2019 blanket. Right. So what's next? Next we have these house blend Starbucks medium roast coffee. So here's what it looks like from the front, and this is from behind, and 8.8 ounces. And what else we have? Oh, now we have bento, a lunch box, and like this. Not much to say about this one, right? Oops, like this. And if you guys like bento, this comes very handy. I don't really like bento boxes, so for me, it's okay. What else? And we have here a Tumbler. This is a Tumbler, not the blogging website. So here is how it looks like, and like this, and like this, like this. Pretty cool, huh? And maybe I may use this sometimes to drink coffee, or, well, I don't really drink coffee, but maybe I use this sometimes to drink hot chocolate. All right. And what else? We have, oops, here is Pike Place, Rose Seattle 71, USA, baby. And it's written Starbucks medium roast brown 100% Arabica coffee. Yes. And this is how it looks like from the back, like this. A lot of Japanese characters. Yeah. So it's smooth and balanced. Yeah, that's the way to go. And what else? Here I have, it's interesting. We have these gift cards, Starbucks. There are four pieces. So there are 4 pieces of these gift cards that you can exchange for coffee. So it's written here, Dorinku Koukan Setto, right? So you can exchange these for coffee at any Starbucks, as long as it's located in Japan. Yeah, you can use it out of Japan. I don't know why. And what else? And here, this is very handy. So we have these zip bags. It's written Starbucks Fukubukuro 2019年 Jipper bag. So Jipper bag 6枚セット. So it's a zipper, like a zip bag, 6 pieces is a set. Going to open it. Let's take a look. So, is really cute. Wow. And then here's like this, and it has this thing that you open like this. If you guys remember those things that you take to the fridge, you know, and especially if you want to preserve something, so you stuck your food or whatever like inside, and then you can just close it like this. Yeah, I'm sure if you haven't seen it, probably you saw it Martha Stewart's TV show, something like that. Okay, guys, so that's the unboxing for the Fukubukuro lucky bag of 2019. And I hope you guys have a happy new year, a lot of good trades, a lot of profit, and remember, let's stay green. Okay, bye.